Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can download Crimson Desert on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to download Crimson Desert on your computer easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to search for Crimson Desert on here, and then you're going to click onto this first link from steam.com. You're going to select your date of birth. After that, you're going to log in with your account. Once you're done with that, now you're going to scroll down and you'll have this add to cart button on Crimson Desert. So once you click on add to cart, it will start downloading on your computer. You'll be able to play it in approximately 6 hours when the game unlocks. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was to download Crimson Desert on your computer. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.